Hi guys, welcome everybody. Today we're in Barnmouth and we're having a wander along the beach. I'll just show you the views looking back towards the town. Right along the front. £3 per trial for a donkey ride. It's a bit of fun for the kids. Yes, we're rolling in over the hills again. Okay.
Look, that's a prize.
Yes, windy. Still the August half term coming towards the end of August now. Yeah, I got it. They're resting. They got these little half tent pods. Not too many people using the old-fashioned windbreakers these days. The different colours of sand. When it's high tide, the water come up to here. Jellyfish. Great big hole of blue patch in the sky there.